everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing a Lego review of Lego City Demolitions Expert set 6074, and this is the Bulldozer. There are too many figures in the set, and also you get this construction sign or demolition sign, and also you get a piece of building. Unfortunately, I didn't have that ready for review, and this set will also make a very nice addition to your Lego City, especially for your construction site or demolition site. This is also from 2015 to 2017. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and please leave a comment in the comment box below, and please share the links to my videos. If toy companies want to contact me for future sponsorships, my contact info is in a link in the description box below, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.